Forget everything you thought you knew about electric compacts. This isn't just an update, it is a radical re-engineering of the electric hot hatch. This is the new 2026 CUPRA Born. Born in Barcelona and built on the proven MEB architecture, this latest iteration pushes the boundaries of the C segment. We're moving beyond the era of logical EVs into the era of raw, emotional performance. It's sharper, it's faster, and with its latest technical overhaul, it is ready to claim the throne. The 2026 Born adopts a predatory, shark nose front end, but the beauty is more than skin deep. Engineers have optimized the drag coefficient to a slick 0.272 CD, slicing through the air to maximize every kilowatt of energy. The new signature triple triangle matrix LED headlights don't just provide a piercing gaze, they are fully adaptive, preventing glare for other drivers while maintaining maximum illumination. At the rear, the coast-to-coast light bar now features an integrated, illuminated CUPRA logo, a hallmark of the brand's new premium identity. It sits 4,324mm long and 1,809mm wide, maintaining a compact footprint while housing a massive 2,766mm wheelbase for superior stability. Let's talk numbers, because the new Born VZ, short for Veloz or Fast, is a technical masterpiece. It features the upgraded APP550 permanent magnet synchronous motor. This rear-mounted powerhouse delivers a staggering 240 kilowatts, or 326 horsepower. But it's the torque that really changes the game. 545 Newton-meters of instant force. This allows the VZ to catapult from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.6 seconds, with a top speed increased to 200 kilometers per hour. This isn't just a city car, it's a high-performance machine that thrives on the open road. Under the floor lies the heart of the vehicle, a newly optimized lithium-ion NMC battery pack. The 2026 range features two primary capacities, a 59 kilowatt-hour unit and the massive 79 kilowatt-hour long-range pack. This larger battery enables a WLTP range of up to 599 kilometers on a single charge. When it comes to replenishment, the 2026 Born has cut down the wait times. It now supports 185 kilowatt DC fast charging. Under ideal conditions, you can go from 10% to 80% charge in just 26 minutes. For home charging, the 11 kilowatt AC onboard charger ensures a full 0 to 100% top-up in approximately 8 hours, making it perfectly suited for an overnight cycle. CUPRA has obsessed over the handling. The 2026 model features a sophisticated multi-link rear suspension and a McPherson strut front end. But the real magic is in the DCC, dynamic chassis control. With 15 different levels of damping adjustment, the car adapts to the road 1,000 times per second. The VZ trim also introduces a wider tire setup, utilizing 235mm high-performance rubber on 20-inch wheels to ensure that all 545 Newton-meters of torque actually find the asphalt. The steering has been reweighted for more feel, and the braking system features a revised pedal feel that blends regenerative and mechanical braking seamlessly. The 2026 CUPRA Born is proof that the electric transition doesn't mean sacrificing the soul of the driver's car. With a near 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity, it is as balanced as it is bold. More range, more torque, more soul. The electric era has found its pulse. The new CUPRA Born. Are you ready to feel the impulse?